Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up HP Smart Tag 670 on Android device using HP Smart application and how to solve issues that occurs on Android devices with this printer and also how to use basic features. So let's get into it right now. First, you want to make sure that your printer is put into Wi-Fi pairing mode and the blinking Wi-Fi button shows you this, and also you can see this animated Wi-Fi icon on the screen. If you don't see this icon and Wi-Fi button is not blinking, just press it, wait for it to start blinking and this icon to appear, and you can continue on your smartphone. On your Android device, make sure you are on Wi-Fi, not on mobile data. Then open Play Store and get HP Smart Application. You need this app to finish setup. So let's open the app. You can skip notifications for this time. If you want to enable notifications, you can do it later in your settings. On this screen, you can accept all terms and conditions or decline optional data if you don't want to send data to participate in user experience program or something like this. And let's set up a new printer. Select Wi-Fi, of course, continue, and on the next step you need to give some permissions to this application, and this is critical. This is necessary to find devices on local networks. Allow this and allow location data while using the app. So your printer is found, tap on its name and enter your router's current Wi-Fi password. Now enter, continue. I don't want to save this password so far. The printer is found. And you need to press the information button on your printer. Here it is, make sure it's blinking, so press it once, you don't have to hold it. And setup is going on. It's preparing the printer, doing its things, just wait. So the printer is connected. Let's tap on continue. Now they said thanks for waiting, but this is not all. We have to complete a couple of more things. So watch this video till the end. One more screen to accept something or decline optional data. By the way, you can also manage options and particularly accept the terms and conditions, but I prefer just to save time. And let's select random country for this example, just any. Continue. And on this page they suggest you to sign in to your HP account, but we are going to do this later and I will explain why do you need this. So skip account activation. Enable auto update. I recommend you to do this because you want to use the latest firmware version for your printer. Skip printing page. First things first, and skip sending installation link. But later I recommend you to install HP Smart application on any devices you want to use with this printer, because actually the app is pretty good, and moreover the scanning section in this application, I don't want notifications. So the scanning section in this notification is actually the best free scanning application I've ever seen. But now let me show you how to solve connection problems on Android devices, especially on older models. So if your smartphone can't detect your printer or you have any other issues, you can't open HP Smart application after the installation, go to Play Store and install also HP Print Service plugin. This is actually not an application, this is just like drivers for Windows. You have just to install the app, accept license agreement. This checkbox is not mandatory, so you can leave it empty. Then hit start, swipe left, all the way left, and it suggests you to open HP Smart. That's it. That's all what you need to do to solve if you have some issues with this device on Android. From HP Smart application, you can manage your printer. You can tap on this printer's image and enter the settings menu. But to use these features like buy printables, like create shortcuts and use printing and scanning features from here, you have to sign in to your account, because if you tap on, for example, any feature print documents, they say you create account or sign in. They force you to do it, but as I told you, this application worth it. So create account, sign in, and let's continue. Let's sign in. So once you logged in, your interface is changed a little bit. You have different buttons here. You have account button over here. You can manage your HP account, but this is not a topic of this video. So from now, your printer is added to your router. It's connected, and you can easily connect any other device. Just install HP application, find this plus icon, and tap on already connected to network. Your printer will be found right away in 1 second, and you will connect it to the application. Let's try just to print something. Actually, you don't have to use HP Smart application to print, because the printer is detected and you can use any application. Print from Gmail, print from Adobe Acrobat, and so on. But let's use this application. Just for example, select, let's say, PDF we wish to print, and let's find a file, tap on that. To print file, just tap on print preview, and then adjust your settings. Actually, printing settings may vary across the application, but general settings are pretty the same in all applications. How many copies do you want to print, which mode, color or grayscale, do you want private pickup, do you want to change paper size? If it's not detected automatically, you can select from this list. You can select orientation, automatic or portrait or landscape, set quality, set scaling modes, and so on. So you need to adjust your settings. The key point is your printer must be selected in this drop down in any application. Make sure your printer is selected. So adjust your settings, check your document, then tap on print and let the printer to do its job. Pretty good. Let's move ahead. Let's also try to scan something. Let's scan document we've just printed. So how do you need to place your document correctly? You need to place the side you wish to scan facing down and align the top left corner of your document with this shaded corner on the scanner glass, and fit the borders, fit the edges snugly to the borders of the scanner glass, and close the lid like this. Then in HP Smart application, tap on printer scan at the bottom, or just find printer scan tile. You can skip this tutorial, I will show you everything in this video. And let's adjust scanning settings. Tap on this drop down, set your page size, set your source, but no choice here, scanner glass only, of course. You can set resolution up to 300 dpi and switch between color and black mode. Also some enhancements you can apply from this gear menu. Tap on gear, you have auto enhancements, auto heal, auto orientation, flat and book pages. So read about these features, consider if you need to enable them, experiment. Also you can select what you're scanning: photo, document, ID card, book, multi-item, and so on. This is a document, so let's tap on that and make sure the source is scanner. Also you can scan from camera and add images from your files and photos, and it's good, and you can combine this feature best of all. So I will show you everything. Let's tap on scan. Now you need to detect edges of your document. You can adjust edges manually, just drag these dots on the borders, or switch between auto, full, or flatten mode. But no difference in this case, but sometimes you will see the difference, so you need to make your adjustments and hit next. And let's add something from camera. Tap on add, switch source to camera scan, allow access to camera while using the app, of course. Once again, skip the tutorial. Now you have two options. Number one, you can manually take pictures of your documents using the shutter button, or switch to auto mode over here and detect edges automatically. But to do this, I recommend you to set your smartphone on a tripod to improve quality. So now, as you can see, we have two pages in our document. And now guys, look why do I like this application. Look how many features does it have, and everything is for free. You can reorder pages, you can rotate pages, you can extract text. It's incredible for free application. You can create your signatures, you can scribble on the documents and save for fast usage in future. And each page has this 3 dots menu. You can replace, delete or edit each page separately. You can crop your documents, adjust brightness, contrast and colors. You can apply filters, add text, mark up your documents. Done to save your changes. And once you're done scanning, once you edit as many pages as you need from different sources, you can print the document right away. You can share it. You can use shortcuts you've created in this application. And you can save the document to your file system. What are we going to do right now? We are going to save the document, rename the file if you need. You can use smart file name feature. It uses some text from your document to consider if it's good for file name. So just test the feature. Set file type. If you want to create multi-page document, you need to select PDF because PDF only supports multi-pages. Set your document language, document size, and save. It takes you to the system dialog. Just select a place for the document, hit save, and that's it. Well guys, I've given you even more information than you've asked about, so I think this video is over and I hope it was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, hit the like button to support our channel, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.